Dude, come on. You're all cool. Whatever, man. Oh, shit, man.
No, you are, but like, you know, when it's in there, it's reflecting. Oh, you gotta do it fast back there. Never mind. I just want to, I think what I'm going to end up doing is like making a different Excel sheet that is just formulas and stuff, and all this stuff right here, you just like type in what it ends up being. You know what I mean?
Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I just like.
Getting all crunk.
I did like. Whoops. Funny. Smash my face in the fucking. I hit my nose so hard. My eyes are crying right now. My eyes are crying.
What, I got that all on?
Go in there. Give it to
Look at you capturing the moment, Mr. Moment
I
Capture.
snagged it.
You Mr. Editing Moments.
See, my nose is
Dude,
bigger than
in reality, I mean, where are we? You tell me. It's wherever you say we are.
Look, it's Hollywood Lulo and Van Nuys McCampballs right here.
Well, John, I mean, honestly, it's whatever he says is happening, you know?
I mean, you're the one. Damn it!
John, wait, put these in circles and...
You have to watch the David Cross thing.
I know, I couldn't get it from Ryan. I wanted to.
I mean, whatever you're saying we
Wait,
are is
I've seen that.
Really?
That's Run, Ronnie, Run?
No, that's a different thing.
Oh.
David
That's
Cross.
the greatest movie of
Run, Ronnie, Run, you've seen it?
Dude, I have it in the bag. It's the best movie ever.
Yeah, brutalizing me!
I know they're talking about bigger, but I can think of another pair I'd like to grab. My balls.
So good. That's the best movie ever.
Good job, bitch.
Alright, I ain't get my beer goggles back on.
I didn't even get my sock off! Have you seen these pictures I took yet? Watch. And I want Pixies to, most importantly, and I want pecan pie. I want angels to bring me that pie.
She's so fat.
Fat kid learned from a video game.
I'm so happy someone else in the world knows about this movie besides John.